Susan. Today I'm participating in the Margarete Miller Collage Challenge, and we're on week 22. And our prompts for this week is a sticker, and I've got the sticker of a birdhouse, an art scrap. This is a scrap of a jelly print that I did a while back, a floor or rug pattern. I've got this scrapbook paper. It looks like linoleum to me, like you would have in your kitchen or bathroom. Let's see, someone else's handwriting. I've got a little scrap of a little receipt thing, and something found in the plains. I've got hay, and the bonus is a cancellation mark. So I've got this stamp that's got the cancellation mark. So I hope everybody's doing great, and without further ado, let's get started. All right. I hope you are having a great day. I hope your week will be great. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP 22. I'll set that over there. All right. So I'm going to lay this out, and I know I'm going to cut this down. So I think I want to cut off some of this because it's got that white. So I'm just going to tear that. And I can put that there. And I want to cut some of my hay because don't want to cover up all of my linoleum. Okay, I'm just going to hit that. I inked most of my items, but I did not ink the hay. All right. So do I want that, or do I want to flip it around? I don't know. I kind of think I want it that way. All right. So I should ink just to make it all cohesive. We have still getting rain. I'm filming this Friday night. We got a big shower today. I know I want that, so let me get these things down. We'll need this rain. It's just odd the way it went this year because we're getting our rain a little late, but that's okay. Maybe it won't be so hot this summer. All right, got that. And now for my hay. And we'll put that right there. Okay. Now, I have this little boy. I thought he looked adorable, and I did forget to ink around this. I can't remember if this came from Collage Soup. I want to say it probably did. But I'm going to put that up right there, maybe. And maybe tuck that down there. And I'm thinking this could go, I was thinking maybe somewhere like that. So let me go ahead and put this down. I don't even know where I got these stickers. These are some I found in my stash. I used one in my glue book that I just finished. So let's see here. Should put this one down first. Okay. I'm just gonna use my art glitter glue, or I thought so, I think. And I just worked on this thing. There we go. Put that there. And I can kind of move that. Yeah, because I'm going to stagger it a little bit. And I do have this. This is some fodder that I did, so it can also be a art scrap. Did it on the back of okay. I'm just gonna put that down. I like that little bit of envelope. It's an old stamp, old envelope. I don't know how old because I couldn't see. But the envelope's very, very thin. We'll just lay that across there. Okay. Let's see what I've got. I've got my sticker. We've got an art scrap, floral rug pattern. Well, I ended up covering up a good bit of my linoleum, but you can still see it. Someone else's handwriting. Something found in the plains. I've got my hay and the birds too, I imagine, and a cancellation mark. And we've got that. So I'm going to put my prompts down. And I do have some more stickers I could add. Let's see here. I don't want to cover up too much of my that's cute. Okay. So let me put my pen back in my bottle here. And let's get some splatters going. I've already got some gold in my jelly print there. So I am just gonna stick with the gold. There we go. Get rid of his little face. And I think I just want to touch that along the edges. And we'll call it good. So like I said, we got all our pieces here. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Be sure and check out Margarete Miller's channel. And be sure and check out the hashtag 2026 CWP22 to see what everyone else has done. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.